I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the AUT is debuggable and the device connected via ADB. Once connected, open your test harness or inspector tool and attach to the process. Make sure you record a baseline app state, login, permissions, and network conditions so your lock actions run predictably. Now enable the device's pointer or element inspector and switch to interaction capture mode. This readies the AUT for selective lock-on bindings and prevents accidental context shifts during the next steps. You now locate and select the precise element to lock on using the inspector selector. Once highlighted, capture unique attributes like Resource ID, XPath, or Accessibility ID to avoid brittle locators. Next, define the lock scope, single element, parent container, or entire view, and set an appropriate timeout and retry strategy to handle async content. Save a locator snapshot and apply a descriptive alias. This ensures your lock remains stable across builds and simplifies later maintenance when similar elements. You apply the lock at runtime and immediately validate the element is stable before any interaction. Assert presence and visible bounds to avoid flakiness. Once navigation or re-rendering occurs, make sure to release the lock or refresh it and reacquire using the saved alias so the test follows the new context. If the lock fails, recapture the locator, increase timeouts, or switch to a relative locator strategy. These steps ensure reliable automation and a clear recovery path when AUT behavior changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.